Let us concentrate on today's reading from the Gospel according to Luke. Jesus has come. As usual, Martha has the leadership quality. She wants to prepare a good meal for Jesus, so she is busy inside. But then she gets tired because her sister, Mary, probably younger sister, is sitting there at the feet of Jesus. Therefore, she comes to complain about her sister to Jesus. Jesus loved Mary, Martha, and Lazarus. And yet, Jesus corrects Martha. He tells Martha, why are you worried? I have come here not for food. I have come for friendship, for companionship. And Jesus, as a human person, though he was divine, he was fully human like us. He too needed friendship. And now he's on the way to Jerusalem. He knows he will be crucified there. So he needed support. And he comes to Martha's house. Martha didn't understand this. Therefore, she's busy preparing a good meal for Jesus. And Jesus praises Mary, saying that she has taken the better portion of it. Did Jesus condemn Martha? Surely not. No. We need Martha and we need Mary. Martha took care of the bodily needs of Jesus. Mary took care of the emotional needs of Jesus. And she profited by the teaching of Jesus, and she must have got blessing of Jesus too.